So this is my first little pop. Today was so hectic this morning. It was impossible for me to film anything the way I was wanting to, but it is perfectly okay. So I'm gonna show you my little setup that I have. The fashion show this, and then it's actually with a rooftop. It is out there. It was like super cold, and we already know who to go, so I'm in here was warm. And we're gonna be getting ready to head out of here. This is my little setup. Okay. Just a tip: when you're getting ready to set up your table, get creative with items you already have around your home. A lot of my props were things I had in my house, which was free 99. I had these in my closet for months, and I finally got to put them to use. Also, I did not pull out every single t-shirt I had. I just pulled out a couple from the collection of the Prayer Changes Everything and the colors that I have in Ebony, Stone, and Midnight. So hot and tired. My leggings, my pleather leggings, had turned into some latex gloves. They were sticking to my skin, like, seriously. I could have literally stretched out on that floor right there. I'm surprised I got it with ease. So if you have ever experienced a pinched nerve anywhere in your body, okay, my back was literally singing a whole tune right now. And so they had the doors open and all that cold was getting to my body. Oh my goodness, I could scream. But I managed it. I sat my butt right in that chair and finished closing up shop. Alright guys, I'm about to get out of here. We are on the 4th floor of the hotel. I'm gonna get out this little bed downstairs. I need to set a little. Excuse me, sir. Do y'all have like those little cart things with the wheels? You know what I'm talking about? You know how they transport luggage in the airport, one of those things?
We do have those carts.
Go to the front and they got one. Oh, I got you. I appreciate it. Thank you. When I got up here, everyone had their tables set up. In the whole building. And my husband with me, this would have been fantastic. He would be like the monster man, hauling everything under one arm by himself. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. These are just a few clips that I was able to get during the fashion show. A couple things that I would do differently. For one, invest in affordable card, have more size availability, make sure the event planner advertise their vendors, and make sure I am comfortable. I was burning up in those pleather pants and boots. Anyway, thanks again for watching. See you soon.